What's going on, my YouTube friends? Yes, it is Sunday. Sunday fun day, baby. Oh, yeah. So we're getting ready to get this torque converter. We're going to put it in the transmission. I'm going to try to mate these things together today, man. We'll see how it goes. Nothing else pops up. I got to get her done because through the week, I'm going to be so daggone busy. I don't know if I can even turn around. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, let's turn this around like right quick. Yeah, buddy. All right, so here's the torque converter. PCT, buddy, Performance Torque Converters. That's who I got it from. And if you look down inside there, you can see we've already put some trans fluid down in there. I'm gonna put a little coating of trans fluid around here, so when I put it in there, it'll slide in that seal and don't burn that seal up. And man, let's just get this thing in the transmission. That's what I'm talking about. But that's what her is. Yep, that's her. They even give you bolts, man, to tighten the torque converter to the flywheel. I love this place. All right, let me bring it back. What I did, I just took a little trans fluid and I put it around the shaft right here, so that way when I get in there, I don't have to mess up that seal, because we don't want to mess that up. No, we don't need no leaks. So we're going to transfer this, which has already got trans fluid in it, to that. And we do that, we lock that torque converter in there. It actually locks in 3 times, but we're only going to fill probably 2, because you got to get it to lock on here, here, and then inside the pump. So if you look down the side there, you see the little small, you got to lock into there, then the bigger gear, and then these right here, these flat spots is where it locks into the pump. So let me get this over here and we'll get her in. Yeah, buddy. All right, so we're gonna get started here. I'm gonna tell you, these torque converters are not light. They're heavy for an old tube anyhow. And then we'll take this, we'll slide it up there, get that on there. There's 1, 2, 3. We're in there. So we want to make sure that we don't have nothing, that this ain't sticking out too far. So we get that in there a little bit forward, pull that back up there. Let me get my straight edge. Straight edge will go across here, make sure that that's not hitting it, so we're good. So we got it in there, and transmission is actually ready to bolt onto the engine. We just got to get the engine ready. Yeah, buddy. All right, let me bring you back. So we got the torque converter in the trans all the way. The trans is basically ready to bolt up to the engine. So I got to put the flywheel and everything on the engine. There's a spacer that goes on that flywheel, that ring. I'm gonna see if I need that, because I don't know where I did it or if I gotta buy one. But I will I'll bring you back when I get ready to put the flywheel on, when I get ready to mate the transmission to the engine. So I appreciate you guys for watching my video. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. And have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. Thank you.